Welcome to 3904 Palo Duro Drive in Plano, Texas. This is an investor's dream. The price, size, and location of this home all equal up to a fantastic opportunity to flip or call it home sweet home. It's 2,988 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, and it's located in the quiet area of Los Rios. It's a beautiful neighborhood with mature trees and no HOA. It's also zoned for the excellent schools of Plano ISD, and it's conveniently located within walking distance of Dooley Elementary, the award-winning Plano Trail System, and Bob Woodruff Park. Don't miss this great opportunity. If you want more information, please contact me. My information will be in the description below.